Hey, this is Dave from Red Iron Ranch. We're at Basic Range and Gun today. We're going to go down the range a little bit. We're going to shoot a running drill. We're going to target down the range. We're going to run from side to side, get that cardio up, get that heart pumping, give a little stress to this drill. We're going to shoot 2 rounds from the outside of each target. So we're going to be moving back and forth. Floor's kind of slick, don't want to fall. So kind of keep your balance and don't slip when you run this drill. Don't run over into the walls either. So let's give it a run and see how it works. Oh yeah, that was good. Got that heart pumping, everything looked great. All right, see you on the range.